Bye! Okay, so currently it is, let's see, is nearly 4 o'clock, and I have this whole mess. Ooh, frickus. I had this whole, well, it's not exactly a mess, but I just finished filming part 3 of my squishy collection, because I actually filmed part 2 and 3 on the same day, but when I filmed part 3, I didn't realize, but the lighting was so bad. I'm not even kidding, it was like so bad. So I had to refilm it all this morning. So then I just stuffed all my squishies back into these drawers, so they're really like messy. I mean, look at that. That is no. It's empty boxes. I have squishies over there, and I've got like foam beads here and like boxes. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start by pouring all my squishies out. I know, that's crazy, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna pour every single squishy out onto this ground. Okay, so I just finished filming some videos because I had, like, it's not every day that your squishy's just laying on your ground, and the lighting has just died on me. I'm so sorry, I hope you don't mind the lighting. I'm going to be organizing my squishy collection now, so I'm just going to set you guys somewhere, and I'm also, like, yeah. First I'm going to be organizing all my squishies into categories. I mean, oh my god. Yes. Yes, just lovely. What is that? Okay guys, so I finished organizing it into piles. This is IBloom. Those are the ones that I'm going to be selling because I don't really need anymore. This is also a sale box inside here. Here I still haven't organized, but I will get to that. And I will get to this because I need to organize that. And then this commons, like little like mini licenses, I guess. Like chicory breads that don't really have a section, I guess. Cafe Dien right there. Puni, Maru, Hello Kitty, Chawa, Bretto, and just random stuff. So guys, I'm gonna end it here for day 1 because it's getting really late and I only have 6 minutes left on my camera thing. So I'm gonna put all the videos onto there, and then on day 2 I'm gonna actually be, hopefully I'll be done and I can give you guys a tour, like a little tour before I do like a full tour if you guys want me to. So bye! Morning everybody! Morning everybody! This is day 2. I know this is like really weird, like why am I saying day 2 and stuff, but yeah. But I know I can't look a mess, like anyways. I'm still in like my pajamas or onesie or whatever because I really can't be bothered to change, but I probably will later in the day. But I'm going to be still working on this area, so this area, like, oh my god. I finished this drawer and this drawer. I'm not going to show you because I want it to be like a surprise, I guess. So first we're going to be working down in this section. Now I'm gonna work on this section and in this section. Beads. What? Dad washed them. Duh. Anyway. I think I'm finally finished with organizing it. It took a lot of time. A total of 3 days. I'm pretty sure it could have been shorter, but like, I don't know, I just took a lot of breaks and procrastinated a lot. But anyways, I'm so happy it's finally finished, and a tour of the squishy area and maybe like a room tour video will also be coming with this. So in this video, it's already pretty long, so I won't be showing you guys all like the squishy room tour, I guess. So yeah, wait for this. I'm going to be doing a room tour / squishy area tour, but right now I guess I can give you just a tiny little preview, I guess, of how it's organized. I won't be showing you all of it. I'm going to be saving it for the video. The squishy area looks like. I won't be showing you guys all of it. I'll just give you a little sneak peek. So this is what it looks like. We've got some squishies here. So a little sneak peek. I'll give you a tiny bit. So yeah, so I'll just give you one more little sneak peek. So that I will save the actual video, the actual tour for the video. So yeah, bye. By the way, I know I look like a mess. I know I look like a mess, like always. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that stuff. So yeah, bye. Squish.